how to sublimate a 17-ounce stainless steel lidded mason jar using the Elite Pro mug and tumbler press. For this project, we will need the following materials: a tumbler press, sublimation paper, measuring tape, 17-ounce lidded mason jar, heat-resistant tape, tape dispenser, and a lint roller. Using a measuring tape, measure the circumference of your mason jar. This will give you the width of the template. It's about 9 1/4. Then you measure the height. We want to make sure our image does not go beyond 4 inches. Let's create a template for a 17-ounce mason jar. I'm going to head over to the corner and select custom size. Switch the units to inches and input the size of the paper. We're going to be using mug size sublimation paper, so we're going to set the measurement to 9.5 inches by 4.0 inches. Select Create New Design. Head over to Elements, and in the search bar, the theme that we're going for is flamingos. So let's head over to the search elements and type Tropical Flamingo Cartoon. Select the image that you wish to use and size it. For the size, I'm going to go with 3.6 by 3.8. Hit Duplicate. Drag it to the other side, and now we're going to save it. Then head over to Share, select Download, select the file type, and select PDF Print. Select Flatten PDF and save download settings, then hit Download. Select Save. Open up the print manager for the sublimation printer that you are using. I'm using Sawgrass SG500. I have opened up PrintMate. I've also opened up the folder where I have saved my design. Now I'm taking my image and dragging it into Add Files. The next step is to adjust the settings. If you're using letter size sublimation paper, you can keep this as it is. If you want to switch the paper size, scroll down. Under media size, select the arrow and pick the size of the sublimation paper that you are using. Make sure that mirror is turned on your settings, and you can also select the product type. Click on the arrow and select Tumbler. Next, head over to Color Management, and under Color Mode, pick the color mode that best suits the type of print you are doing. In my case, I'm going to be choosing Vibrant. Then select Print. We are now ready to sublimate. First step is to remove the lid from the mason jar. Using a lint roller, we will remove the lint from around the tumbler. Next, take your wrap and place it around your tumbler. Secure your image down using heat-resistant tape. I like to place 2 pieces of tape overlapping each other on each side. Once we are done taping, we are ready to press. Turn on the press using the green button. We're going to set the time and temperature. Hit Set once and place the temperature at 385. Hit Set again. Now we're setting the time to 120 seconds. Then hit Set to save the settings. Place your tumbler inside your press and close it. When the 120 seconds are up, open up your press and remove the tumbler. Remove the tape to reveal your final result. Make sure you do this while your tumbler is still hot. Congratulations! You have now sublimated a 17-ounce stainless steel mason jar with a handle. Look how beautiful and vibrant these colors turned out.